In this video, we will be showing you how to assemble a Pure Fitness Preacher Curl Bench. To assemble, you will need a wrench and a socket wrench. In the box, you will find the seat cushion, the preacher cushion, the main frame, the weight support, the frame leg, the preacher frame, the wheels, and the hardware. Grab the back tube of mainframe part 2 and align to the middle opening of the frame leg part 1. Make sure the openings are aligned. You will need a 70mm bolt part 9, 2 washers part 16, and a nut part 17. Place the mainframe so the front bracket aligns to the openings of the weight support part 3. Make sure that the wheel sockets are facing the outside of the frame and the support tube hands are facing up. Secure the weight support by using two 75mm bolts part 11, washers part 16, and nuts part 17. Align the wheels part 5 to the socket openings on the front of the weight support part 3. Place inside both wings. Secure with two 40mm bolts part 10, washers part 13, and nuts part 14. Align the openings at the bottom of the seat cushion part 6 and place it on top of the frame so it's ready to be installed. Secure the seat cushion with two 70mm bolts part 9 and washers part 16. Align the openings at the middle of the preacher cushion's back part 7 to the top openings of the preacher frame part 4. Adjust the preacher cushion to your preferred height by installing the spring lock knob 2A. Once installed, you may pull in the knob and release it so it secures to an opening of your choice. For added safety, use the lock knob part 12 behind the preacher frame once you have selected your preferred height. Thank you for watching this how-to video. For more information and help on this product, click on the link below.